Hello friends, our next topic is twisted pair cable. In last topic we have discussed about single mode fiber, multi-mode fiber and copper cable. And we have discussed about twisted pair, that twisted pair cables are twisted with each other. But actually twisted pair cables are divided into two parts, and the parts name are straight cable and cross cable. Straight cable and cross cable. And now you are watching the screen and you can see there are different color coding cables are there, but it is not the big deal. Actually these are not the colored cable. We can make these in any cables, like this is the manufacturer cable. Actual difference between straight cable and cross cable is this: straight cables are used to connect different devices with each other. Different devices means, like if you want to connect with your PC to switch to router, okay, and after that switch to server. Straight cables are used to connect with different devices, and cross cables are used to connect with same device. Now what is the meaning of same device? PC to PC, switch to switch and router to router. But the question is how we can make cable. How we can make cable here? So I just need to let you know about it, that how we can make this cable. So we have basically a color coding. So we need to know about this color coding. Okay. First of all, we need to know about straight cable. Okay. Even it is straight or even it is cross. Okay, we have 8 types of cables here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the one hand, first cable is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, brown. Now, for example, this is your one end of cable. This is your one end of cable. After this video, I will let you know about the practical cable making practical. We will make straight cable as well as we will make cross cable also. So this is the one end of straight cable. Now, how it will become straight cable? If both end have same configuration: orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, brown. So if both end have same type of cables, then this is known as straight cable. As I already told you, straight cables are used to connect different devices with each other. Now on the other hand, we have cross cable. Now cable is same. Now many students ask the question about, sir, cable is different or cable is same. Cable is same, and the one end is also same: orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. As we can see, we have just made this cable in straight. But in cross cable, we have one basic formula like 1326. Some people using 1236 also. It is based on the company. So what is the meaning of 1326? So basically I am using in my company 1326. 1326 means first cable is replaced with third and third cable is replaced with first. So green, white here comes at first place and orange, white comes at third place. Second cable is replaced with 6 and 6 is replaced with second. So green is here and orange is here. Like on the one hand you have to use this coding, on the other hand you have to use this coding, right? Blue, blue, white, brown, white and browns are at their same place. So this is the symbol of cross, so that's why we named it as a cross cable. Cross cables are basically used for same device connectivity. Thank you so much.